So you can see, can you not, that it's quite a subtle colour when it goes down, but actually when you wet it, have you noticed that the colour strengthens?
Yes.
So you get a much stronger version out of it. If you put pencil down and you then either put too much water on or you literally over push it, if you touch the paper too much, you'll be in terrible trouble, because all that happens is that you pick it up onto the brush. What is quite a nice effect is that you can actually transfer that elsewhere, but you must not start doing that business on your paper. It's literally a case of using your very blunt pencil and making your brush damp, not wet. And then you can just use it to blend the colour together without washing it out completely. The other technique that you can use is to make a little palette of colour on a scrap of paper. Make a little section of colour, and then of course you can transfer that elsewhere onto your paper, so you can actually get some watercolour techniques out of these pencils too. So that you've got the very strong depth of colour with or without the dog hair. But it can go all the way through to almost blend it out. And that is literally down to how you manage your pressure with the pencil, the amount of water, and how much you touch the paper.